I'm going to jump straight into showing you two really quick demos. I'm going to have them running side by side. On one side, we're going to ask Claude to build us a 3-tier web app that will deploy to AWS. And in the other terminal, we'll do the exact same thing, but we'll have the Infracost Agent AI skill installed. Two systems with the exact same prompt, but with drastically different outcomes. Let's get straight into it. Okay, on the left here, we have my terminal that's been started up, and we'll see up the top here, it says it's demo Claude. This is the Claude experience all by itself, and we're going to give it a prompt to say, create a Terraform config for a 3-tier web app on AWS, and it should use Postgres as the database. We'll hit go. Now on the right-hand side, alongside it, we'll try and get this going quickly so we can see them actually happening side by side. The same prompt, but this Claude agent already has the Infracost AI agent skill installed. So click go on both of those. Okay, on the left you can see it's going through, it's looking at project structure, asking if it can check some things. On the right hand side you can see it's logging into Infracost and going and checking what policies have been defined already. Now I have a couple of minimal ones here, a single cost one and some tagging ones, but it's going to go and work out what context, what rules are in place for myself as an individual developer, because I want to make sure I don't accidentally get an AWS bill shock at the end of the month for my demo projects, or as an organization, what your organization's policies are. So on the left-hand side, you can see here, it's already writing Terraform code. Claude is off to work building the 3-tier web app for us. On the right-hand side, we're just asking a couple of clarifying questions because we've seen here that there's a guardrail in place. We want to keep development environments cheap. So which environment is this for? Answer these questions. It's for front end, etc. Let's go get through this. All right. So we asked a few questions on the right-hand side to make sure we were doing the right thing. And now Claude will catch up, hopefully, to our demo on the left and start building the infrastructure. The difference between these two things, though, is that Claude, on the right-hand side with the Infracost agent, is aware of a little bit more context, the things that I want or I value. And it's asked a couple of clarifying questions for the cases where it didn't know specifically what the right answers are. The end result is it's going to do a much, much better job at writing the very first time the infrastructure code that is actually what I want. It's not making any assumptions. It's not taking any guesses here. It's asking me the questions, or it's inferring that from the rules that we already have in place. So we can see on the left, it's already writing the outputs now. It's created. It's going to go through now and explain what it's actually built. And this is where we find out what we've got. Okay, it's all done. 3-tier web app, ALB, multi-AZ Postgres on GP3. All right, how much does this infrastructure cost? Oh, cost. Let's go. I'll ask Claude to work out the price of that. Okay, over here you'll see it's actually written all the code. It's going to go and check its work though. One of the things we've learned through this is with non-deterministic systems, even when you give it the right guidance, it doesn't always get it right, but Infracost will make sure that it does. So we're checking our work. Does it meet all the guardrails? Does it meet all the policies? Does it meet our cost controls? Okay, and here we go. On the left-hand side, Claude by itself built us a 3-tier web app that's going to cost us $311 a month. Now, on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side here, bottom line, $310 a month. The Infracost version, $70 a month. Now, we could obviously do a lot more work on the left-hand side, get that cost down to what we want it to be, if we had the thought to actually ask it what the cost was going to be. But on the right, we don't need to worry about it. We've got put our guardrails in place. We already know how much we're willing to spend for different environments and what our budgets are. That will automatically be applied for us and anyone else that might be on our team. So a really quick and easy way to make sure we get the outcome we want consistently. No waiting for a review, no waiting for checks to happen on pull requests anymore. Make sure that the code you write is exactly what you want from the very beginning.